This video is brought to you by EA How To Plus. EA How To Plus gives you access to replays of EA How To webinars and events, as well as the incredible EA How To private members community. The members community is a private group on Facebook for talented assistants just like you. It's the kindest, most respectful, and genuinely useful community of assistants around the globe. Right now, membership is just $27 a year. To become a member, visit eahowto.com/EAHowToPlus or click the link in the video description. Today, I'm going to share the 5 tools I can't live without as an EA. You'll find links to all of these tools in the video description. Anyone who has been following EA How To for a while knows that first on the list has to be Trello. I've tried Asana and Monday, but I always come back to Trello. It's free, it's incredibly easy to use, it's beautiful, and most importantly, it does what I want, which is practically everything. I'm not going to do a demo because there are several videos on this channel showing how I use Trello already, and if you're an EA How To Plus member, you can watch a replay of my ultimate Trello tutorial for EAs through the members portal. What I will say is that Trello is my guiding light. It is all of my to-do lists, it shows all of my progress, and it stores all of the information I need to do my job. Trello is how I stay organized. The second tool on my list is a calendar scheduling platform. I was using Motion, and for the most part I was enjoying it, but unfortunately the company currently holds some really inappropriate views about executive assistants, so I cancelled that subscription, and at the moment I'm using Calendly. There are loads of scheduling platforms out there. What is important is that you have one that works for you. The more customizable, the better. Next on the list of most useful tools is time and date. Pretty self-explanatory. EAs are constantly dealing with people and meetings across lots of different time zones. Time and date is your best friend. It's amazing how many people get this very simple concept very, very wrong. And with time and date at your disposal, there really is no excuse. Side note, when you're arranging a meeting with someone in another time zone, I'm begging you to please include your time zone and the time zone of the person you are dealing with. For example, Jane is available at 1500 British Summertime /10 Eastern Daylight Time. Does that work for you? Number 5 on my list is a password manager. I have Dashlane on one laptop and 1Password on another. I'm happy with both of them. No matter what, in this day and age, with the number of logins you need to keep track of and the number of logins you need to share as an EA, you absolutely need a password manager. Now, I know I said I was giving you 5 tools, but I have like 2 bonus tools to share. The first isn't a tool, but rather a resource. It is an EA community. I would be lost without the EA How To private community. It's the most incredibly supportive community, and among our thousands of dedicated, talented members, you can always be sure multiple people will answer your question and help you out. The other tool I use a lot, which might not be essential for all EAs, but is definitely essential for me, is Canva. Video thumbnails, invitations, announcements, presentations. I do everything on Canva, and I would be lost without it. That's all for now. I do hope I see you in the EA How To private community on Facebook. Become an EA How To Plus member, and I'll see you then. Bye for now.